Rocker Pat here. Alright guys, alright, it's been another week. It's I don't know, early mid-January 2019. Let's go back in time here for a little while. I don't even know what that date this picture was taken. We can close that. Let me come over here, we'll check it out. We're talking 2011. 8 of 2011. So this is the day we brought Jackie home. Found Jackie on Craigslist, and I bargained that price down to $1,350 for a 1976 Chevrolet Corvette. And me and my buddy Ken, we drug it home from the other side of town because for me, it always seems like it's on the other side of town. And Houston's a big town, and traffic sucks. So you get the point. But we drug it over here, and for the total sum of $1,350, I was the proud owner of a 1976 basket case. And I was happy with it. No engine, no transmission. And as you see, everything was piled up inside the car. It was pretty bad. I mean, yeah, it was bad. So, it's gonna be Vette month here because of several reasons. Here's all the parts that I got laid out. We got to get this thing put together. I started working on this a long time ago. I got sidetracked with the 47, but let me show you some pictures of it. Let me go up here to Corvette Rebuild. Here we can show after it was disassembled, just doing some paint work, body work on it. Yeah, that was a lot of work. That's when I got the Monte Carlo. Anyway, let's see here. Let's go to where I was putting it back together. Well, I don't know, let's go back one. Here's where I painted it. So we'll just run through these pictures real quick. I bought that carport to paint the Corvette in. Worked out pretty good too. I still have the carport. We just got to put it back together. Yeah, that was fun. Believe it or not, I painted that car with 40 cans of rattle can that Mickey, the guy that owns the 47, and my buddy Ken sat there and took all the paint out of the cans of the rattle can so that I could put it in my cup gun and shoot it at my car. And then I put clear on top of it. But don't tell anybody, it's a bad paint job. It's got to be redone. So here's all new, everything rebuilt. Here's where I was putting the chassis together. Completely rebuilt the chassis. I mean, every aspect of it. Redid the rear end, half shafts, drive shafts, I mean completely. All new bearings, all new seals, painted up nice. The trailing arms, completely rebuilt those. All new bushings, bearings, hoses, you name it. Hey, y'all see that little can right there? If you look on a quater jet, there's an air vent right there where I'm pointing at the little arrow at, okay? That is a fuel filter for a Ford or something like that that's got the little crimped in that you have to use the little tool on, okay? That I cut the deal off, the top off of it, and now it's a funnel. So when your carburetor's dry on a quater jet, you can fill the carburetor up, the float bowl, without spilling. You can just go straight into the float bowl and then use the accelerator pump to make it go pump. Just a little tidbit that I know about. So here's where I was dropping the body on, and then driving it out, because it was already running when I dropped the body on. That's my old shop. I miss that shop. $3,000 a month, $180,000 in 5 years. Then he wanted another $250,000 for the next 5 years. I gotta move, gotta go. So anyway, the archives of slamming the Vette back together, because right when I painted this, right after that, gotta move. And oh, that was my 59. And ironically, I set the Chevrolets out to be sold because I needed to get something gone, and I thought I could get money and everything out of my Chevrolets I got. And I ended up selling that and the 66 Ford I had, but I was gonna load up my my carport on that thing and drive it down to where I'm at right now. Anyway, so the reason why we're looking at all this is because I wanted to put insurance on my car. Oh, here we go. Here's where we started rebuilding it. I wanted to put insurance on the car so that I could fiddle fart with it and get it ready to go. Floor pans. So I could fiddle fart with it and get it ready to go so that, you know, I'd have insurance on it, tags and everything. And the reason why I want to do it right now is because the tags are up on my Monte Carlo and on my truck, and I have to go down to the courthouse to take care of that, and I kind of want to do it all at once and get all my insurance at once so I can pay for it all in one fell swoop, and I don't have to worry about it anymore for the rest of the year. So you can see I put floor pans in it. That took a weekend. That was pretty quick. That's where I took the frame off. Took it to the sandblaster. Sandblasted that thing whole. Took it apart. My buddy painted it for me. That was before I was the painter. Oh, look at little puppy doggy. Petey doggy. Little puppy Petey dog. Look how big he is now. Man, look how small he was. There's my Monte Carlo. That's the car I can't wait to get really done. So anyway, y'all get the point, man. Whole bunch of. So anyway, back to our story. Here's the rear end going up. Control arms. I mean, look at that thing, man. It's purty. So the insurance company, they don't want to insure it for what I expect it to be what it should be insured at, okay? Which, man, they need to put $30,000 worth of insurance on this car. I got 20 grand in it, okay, plus. And the plus is about to hit right now with interior. So they don't want to insure it for what I want to insure it. And I was going to do this last year, but like I said, they didn't want to insure it for what I wanted it insured at. And, you know, that kind of... So I canceled it. And I guess there's nothing there. So I canceled the insurance on it last year. But now I really kind of want to drive my car. So, okay, look, man, here's the Monte Carlo. This is a 79 Monte Carlo. And I'm going to make my own headlights. And this is what I got so far. So this is something we're going to be working on this year too. And then I got taillights for it too. I'm telling y'all, man, YouTube is kind of a, okay, look, man, let's go over here. We're gonna do this vacuum molding. Okay, I seen this as seen on YouTube, man. And I gotta get off this deal because I can't run over 15 minutes and we're already 12 and y'all are probably tired of looking at this crap anyway. All right, so this is the vacuum molding I'm gonna do that I've tried for my headlights and brake lights. I made a little vacuum box. Sat down at the Home Depot, found somebody that had chrome plastic. So I made that bezel, okay? And then I figured out, I found a place that I could buy these little reflectors, and I bought a whole shitload of them. And then I've got the light bars here. Okay, you see how the light bars light up? So that's going to go for the brake lights for that Monte Carlo outside. So anyway, that's a little teaser on that. Okay, here's the brake light lit up. Pictures aren't all the greatest. But the 47 took precedent over everything else. And I know it might look like I kind of jump around from this, that, and the other, and I kind of do. But eventually it'll all come together and we'll get something done. You know what I mean? But there was kind of the first ideas of what I wanted to do on the car with brake lights. I don't know if there's any other good pictures of that I could show you. Here's one with it on the car. So anyway, there's a teaser on what's going to be our badass Monte Carlo. Because that bad boy is going to be bad. Big block. Got a big block for it. Oh, Petey doggy. I had to take that Vette apart. Alright, anyway. What we're going to do, I got to go quick because I've been running my mouth too long. I'm going to start polishing this car out, and I got some other stuff coming. So there was part one of our Vette month, because we're going to call this the Vette month, because for the next month, I'm going to be hammering on this Corvette and trying to get it looking right. I got a bunch of parts coming for the interior this week, and that should be here come Wednesday. And I'm going to keep polishing out all these little runs from when I painted this car 4 years ago. Well, anyway, guys, I wanted to take y'all down a little memory lane and let y'all see a little bit of the work I've done on this old car right here and what I'm talking about when I'm talking about it. So anyway, there you go. I got to get that polisher out and finish polishing this up and everything. Y'all keep rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking, and I'll keep polishing it down. Talk to y'all next time.